Hi, my name is Mariah. This is Mariah M Design. In this video, I'm going to be going over my Redbubble earnings for the summer months of June, July, and August. And I'm excited to go through these because I haven't been keeping up with Redbubble as much. It's been sort of very passive as of late, and I've been focusing more on other ventures, other main sources of income, like working an actual job, internship. These earnings should be decent, but I don't know how like grand they are. I think it was still pretty worth it. Okay, so I started recording my screen, and now we're going to basically just go and see what my earnings were. It's showing that I'm very close to reaching the payment threshold for this month. I need a couple more sales for that to happen, but going in, this is what I've made the last 12 months. Pretty much time I've been on Redbubble. My Redbubble has been slowing down during the springtime, and then it picked up over the summer, and now it's hitting another slump again. So I think that happens depending on the products you have listed. I'm going down, and I'll be viewing my sales history. Okay. And I have two that are to be paid for the month of September. One is margin of $18. This one is 64 cents for a pack of stickers and then a tapestry, so the margins are vastly different. Going to what has been paid already, I sold an As You Should design tapestry, and my margin, $3. Oh, someone bought a poster. Stickers, tapestry. I basically am selling a lot of stickers and tapestries, as you can see. In my first, so it's May, I didn't sell anything in June, and then July I had 1, 2, 3 sales in July, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in August. So for the month of July, I made $27.95, as you can see here. And then the month of August, I made $66.46. And then September, $36.57. So I think my average is around $30 a month, which that's not that much at all. My other accounts, which I closed, I have a whole video on it. I made about $100 to $200 a month on that one. I think I just haven't found the right niche yet for this new shop, because that one I had a lot of like TV shows, memes, things that people were actively searching for. This one I would need people to bring people myself, or like build up an audience around my artwork. So I'm working on that, but I think this is pretty good. Like, I didn't have to do much on my end. I earned this money basically in my sleep, so I'm happy about it. And I have $19 earnings to be paid. I'll probably get that this month. I don't know what the threshold is. It might be $20 now, so I might need one more sale. But yes, I can calculate how much I made. So I will calculate that and put the total amount here so you can see exactly how much I made for those months, and maybe this will give you like a gauge of how much you can make just as a starting account on Redbubble. You definitely have the opportunity to make a lot more. There's users and shop owners that have made so much more than what I'm making right now, but this is just a side hobby for me at the moment, so I'm pretty good with what I'm making. Thank you for watching this video. I will be doing more Redbubble videos in the future. If you want to see something specific, you can leave a comment and I will consider doing it. I'll see you in my next video.